Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Alen Breathe Smart 45i Air Purifier. And Alan sent us this for the review. So the 45i is a smaller version of the Breathe Smart 75i that we've been using downstairs for about the last year that we really like. It's designed to purify about 800 square feet, which is just perfect for up here in our loft area. So it's really easy to install. You just take off all of the wrapping and things like that. You install the filter and turn it on. It's good to go. So the Allen is really easy to control right from the front panel. You can set the fan speed. There's 4 different speeds: low, medium, high, and turbo. You can also set it to auto, which is what we do most of the time. It's got a nice display that shows you exactly what the air is like in your house, and it goes from dark purple to really bad to blue, which is the best clean air, so you can tell if it's working. And it even shows you if you need to change the filter. And now our filter lasted almost a year, so your filter use is going to vary based on what's going on in your house. Okay, so you can use the Alen Breathe Smart totally on its own and it will purify your air, but we really like the Alen app. So it connects, you connect it to Wi-Fi and connect it to the app. So on the home screen, it tells you the outside temperature. It's really hot today. And it also tells you the outdoor air quality right there on the screen. And then if you click onto your unit here, so here's the 45i, it's going right now. You can turn it on and off with the app. You can change the fan speed. You can turn on or off the ionizer. You can turn it on auto. You can also lock it so nobody can come and mess with it. You can set it on a timer, but we just leave ours on auto and it keeps the air clean all the time. So it also tells you your filter life here. Ours is 100% because we just installed it. It also tells you your air quality, and over time you can look at your air quality history. We don't really have a lot of history right now, so I'm not going to dive into that. But it's really neat to have this app so you can kind of see what's going on in your house with your air. What we really like about the Allen is that you can get different types of air filters depending on your situation. So they have 4 main types of filters you can get to use with the 45i. The first one is just called Pure, and that's an H13 HEPA filter, and it filters for dust, mold, allergens, and germs, general germs. That's kind of the base level filter. They also have a fresh filter. Now this is that same pure filter, but it includes carbon. And so this is great for also filtering out odors and VOCs. Then they have the odor filter. So I guess the odor filter is for really strong odors. These are things like pets, diapers, that kind of thing. And it includes the medical grade HEPA filter, plus it has this odor neutralizer to keep everything fresh. And the 4th type of filter is VOC smoke. Now this is great for wildfires and if you're smoking in the house, that kind of thing. That can really help filter out those impurities. And it's really easy to change the filter. You just pull the front panel off, take out the old filter, push the new filter in, snap it in place, put the cover on, turn it back on, and you're good to go. All right, so that's it. That is the Alen Breathe Smart 45i. It's a great air filter to purify about 800 square feet in your house. We love it. We're going to have it up here in our studio and keep the air nice and clean. Thank you for watching.